What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her own, shorty should be that squishing the yo. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her own, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her own, shorty ain't tripping, she gotta go. Shorty she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with one of my #1 favorite hair companies, Nadula, y'all. I haven't worked with Nadula in so long, but y'all, you guys already know, I used to love me some Nadula, and I still do. I was sent a 13x4 Pre-Everything 20-inch kinky curly lace front wig, y'all. When I say Pre-Everything, literally everything is done for you. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-everything, y'all. You literally don't have to do anything. This is 100% beginner friendly wig. I will always highly recommend my pre-everything wigs to my beginner friendly people out there who love to throw on wigs and love to switch it up. Y'all, this lace, I love, y'all. And like I said, this is glueless, y'all. Oh, this is glueless, y'all, and it is melted, y'all. I decided to not do any type of baby hairs. This is my first time really doing the flip over method with no part. I haven't done one in so long, and y'all, I really love this hair. This hair is full. Usually it's a little hard for me to work with kinky curly hair, but y'all, this hair was so easy to work with. I love it. It mimics my natural hair so much. Like I said, I would highly recommend pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled wigs to my beginner friendly people out there. The same exact wig is going to be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 70K, man. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.